Hi guys, Joe Burgess. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about press-on wheel bearings. This segment's going to be press-on wheel bearings versus bolt-on wheel bearings. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two different scenarios I'm going to be involved with tomorrow. Want to see what you guys think. Leave it in the comments to what you guys think of what I should do. Here's my two options. I have a kit here with all the adapters, and the only thing with this is you have to unbolt maybe from the ball joint back, take the CV axle out, and then you have various fittings. You have a set press here, 4-screw washers. You have bearing plates, things like that. So I'm actually kind of leaning toward this option here. It looks pretty good. So this is a Harbor Freight set right here, and actually it's been used once before, not by myself, but by somebody else, and seemed to work out pretty good for him. So I'm actually going to lean toward this for right now, because if I go the other way, since it's a press-in bearing, that means that I got to take the spindle off, and we have to use the press. Which, if I have to use it, I have to use it. This is a nice model here. It's all homemade. You got 1/8 plate steel here with various plates to accommodate the spindles. Stuff like that. This is all I-beam construction as well, heavy duty stuff. So, this is also another option. I got two options to use here. So, whether I go on the car, maybe, and just take out the bottom ball joint and just press it out from the back, and then press it in from the front. Leave it on the car, no involvement with an alignment or anything like that. That would be this scenario right here. The other scenario where we use the press here, we're taking the whole spindle off the car. It's a 1998 Toyota Camry. So who knows what the rust is going to be like on that, especially here in New England, where we get salt, everything's pretty much locked up, stuff like that. So, yeah, so basically, if we use this 20-ton press here, it's basically a lot more involved with it, you know what I mean? So putting it in the press, pressing it out, things like that. There's a lot involved there. So, but I think I'm going to be leaning towards the kit, because if I use the press, there could be a possible alignment involved, and I don't think I want to go through all that. So, yeah, see what you guys think as well. Because like I said before, there's a lot more involved if I take it off. Put it on the press it out, press it in, and go that way. That's going to be a lot of work. So this is a second option here. So what do you guys think? I mean, as far as give me some ideas here. I'm doing the job tomorrow, and it's either one of these two. So, but like I said, I'm leaning towards this right here, because you can't beat where you have the cups and you have the adapters, the 4-screw, everything you need to press it out right on the car. So I guess for $100 you can't go wrong. I bought this a few years ago. I haven't used it yet, but tomorrow, more than likely, I'm probably going to be using it. So, all right, guys. Let me know what you think. I love your comments. I hope you guys give me some good ideas and feedback. And thank you so much for subscribing. And hope to see you guys soon. All right, guys. You guys have a nice one. See ya.